Are you searching for the best Boston bag? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best Boston bag in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Women Cowhide Genuine Leather Shoulder Bags, Red Bag Material, PU Leather, crafted from premium PU leather. This bag offers durability and a luxurious feel. Design, red bowling bag with pendant, stylish red bowling bag with a charming dog rope pendant, perfect for fashion-forward women. A size, 25 cm shoulder strap, 8.3-inch laptop compatible. Spacious 25 cm shoulder strap and fits an 8.3-inch laptop. Ideal for on-the-go professionals. Occasion, Valentine gift, a thoughtful Valentine's Day gift. This bag is a sweet token of affection. Usage, underarm handbag. It designed as an underarm handbag. It's comfortable to carry and fits various outfits.